Hi, my name is Pearl, and today we're going to be solving this question from the engineering mechanics textbook. The force F acts on the frame such that its components acting along members AB is 650. That's along this line. Directed from B towards A. Determine the required angle phi. This is the angle phi. And the components acting along the member BC. So in this case, we don't know this angle, but we know F to be equals to 850 pounds. On theta to be 30 degrees. Now I'm going to draw this out so we can have a clear understanding of what we're working with. It's going to be an imaginary horizontal line. Just imagine like going through it like this. From point B, I'm going to draw out 650 pounds. The unknown length of line here. I'm going to simply join this in a parallelogram. Okay. And this is going to be the first resultant F. This angle is known, 30 degrees. Now there's a kind of horizontal line cutting from A to C. So I'm going to draw that out. This is going to be 45 degrees and this is going to be 5. Now they want us to find BC, which is the force here, which is also the force here. And they also want us to find theta. So I'm just going to use this particular triangle, this one. Okay. So just to draw it out, we're going to have this point A going to a point B. So the arrow is in this direction. This is the force F, and this is the unknown angle. This is F. It is 650 pounds. This is 30 degrees. Now we want to know what the full degree is here. But before we do that, we can actually find the unknown angle here. Let us call it C, small letter C. So using the cosine rule, the cosine rule simply states that you square the other sides. I don't know why I keep writing F. We already know this 850 pounds. You square the other side 650 square plus 850 square minus 2 times 650 times 850 cos the angle opposite the unknown side, which in this case is 30. We know it. So if you solve this in your calculator, you're going to have C equals to 433.64 pounds. So therefore we have found the components acting along the member BC as this. Now to find phi, this angle. So phi is half of the angle. It's not exactly half, but it's here. So if we can find the full angle here, we can know what to draw at this point. You can see this is an alternating angle. This is two parallel lines joined by a transverse line. So this is like a Z, which means that the angle here is going to be equal to the angle here, which means the angle here is 45 degrees. Now to find this angle, if we know the full length of this angle and subtract it from 45, then we can get what phi is. So in order to do that, we are going to use sine rule. Let's say this angle should be called epsilon. We're going to say sine rule is going to be 850 over sine of the unknown angle equals to 433.4.64 pounds over our other known angle here, sine 30 degrees. If you solve this, you can tell that is equals to 78.54 degrees. Now, since we know the full angle, we can simply do epsilon minus 45 degrees, which is going to be phi equals to 78.54 minus 45 degrees. We're going to get 33.54. So therefore, we have found what phi is, and we have found the component force acting along AB. We have successfully gotten the two answers. Please, if there's anything you do not understand, do not hesitate to ask it in the comment sections. Thank you for listening.